been an honor to be celebrating Earth Day with all of you, and as we launch our ecotourism progress and launching the mountain tourism for our region. And for Ayala Malls and Trio, as far as some of you may know, it has always been a proud testament to Ayala Land's commitment to sustainability. Because when we built this particular project, we ensured that we preserve the 2 trees as the focal point of our development. And that alone is a reminder that progress doesn't really have to come at the cost of nature. And speaking of progress, I would like to highlight this magnificent milestone for our region because we have made sure that Northern Mindanao will stay firmly in the map. And this is not possible without the efforts of the amazing men and women of the Department of Tourism, led by, of course, the very inspiring regional director, Marie Elaine Salvania Onsuan. Ma'am, thank you, Kayo, for your efforts for not only promoting our beautiful landscapes here in Northern Mindanao, but also championing its preservation and protection. And together with also our friends from DENR, thank you so much. And lastly, let me end my time here by simply reminding all of you that we only have one Earth. And may we all continue to be sustainability champions, not just for today, but for every day. Maayong hapon, happy Earth Day.